Hey guys, and welcome to my channel Flammable 4. In this video we're going to be building these Lego Brickheadz. They look really cool. I've got Joker, so that's what I'm going to be building today.
I've got Iron Man.
I've got Belle. I've got Catgirl. And I've got Hulk.
So let's get building, guys. Batgirl. We're going to get building now. So we're going to do a bit of a fast forward, and then you're going to see us, and then we'll show you at the end individually each one that we've built. Here we go.
Oh, this is cool.
Whoa!
Wow.
Try not to Okay guys, so now we have finished building these little Lego heads, and they are really cool. I mean, mine took a little while to build. I think the hair was a bit complicated, to be honest with you. And how did you get on with yours, Emma?
My one was quite straightforward. It didn't really take me long to build it, did it?
Quite
I did
quick,
it quite
wasn't it?
quickly. Didn't even need any help. And usually with Lego I need a lot of help, don't I? Because I'm not very good at it. But
Yeah.
very good.
Amy, your one?
Mine took quite a long time because I think I kind of got mixed up a bit, didn't I?
Yeah, a little bit mixed up on the belt, but...
We all kind of had to help you because even we were like, what's going on?
Right, so Sky, how did you get on with your one?
Mine was really simple.
Okay, Jake?
Mine was really easy to make.
Right, no worries. Okay, so guys, overall, what do we give it? A 10 out of 10, or... I mean, I think that they're really well built. They are quite pixelated, aren't they?
And look out of 10. 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Yeah, I would say about 8 out of 10.
About 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
They're not the
Best
like amazing
Details. And they don't really do much, like the Hulk hands move.
Yeah.
Because they're big.
Here. So we'll give you a close up real quick in a minute. So the hands move on the Hulk, and the head, I don't know why, the bum
I don't know
on
why
the
this
head
bit just moved.
moves on the head.
She's
It makes no sense.
She's
she's
also
got
got
it
a
all.
Oh,
rose.
it's got a rose, yeah. So do you want to just do a close up on your one,
Yeah.
Amy, and then we'll all do a close up on ours. So this is Belle. Just give her a little spin.
There
you go.
Jalapeno.
And the head moves. Lovely. And there you go.
There
So
you
that's
go.
Belle. And do you want to show yours, Emma?
Yep.
Ooh.
So there's...
mine hasn't got many features to it at all, really. It's just
It's quite detailed. It does look like... They do look like the characters, though, don't they?
yeah. It's quite basic, but
Yeah,
the front's
they're
quite-
basic. They
the
are
front's
cool.
the most detailed.
And then
It's
I'll
very
do
cool.
mine quickly. So this is Joker. As I said, he was a little bit... His hair was crazy. I kind of got stuck. Emma had to help me a little bit with the hair, as you can see. But they are cool, if you know what I mean.
yeah.
Jake, do you want to show yours?
Oh, yeah.
So that's Hulk, and like we said, his hands do move. They're not like you couldn't play with them. Really. they are kind of just really kind of a collectible model, yeah.
You can pose him.
There you go. There you are. And then Sky, just show your Batgirl. And she's got a cape on the back, hasn't she, on that one? So that's
Yeah.
pretty cool. So that's a good bit of detail. And she's holding a battering ram, just
And I
same as
think-
Belle's holding the...
I think this fits her hair.
Yeah, her hair sticking out.
Front.
So overall, that's been pretty good. We will come back again for a second part of this because we've got to build the rest of them. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you all on the next one. Say bye, everyone. Bye.